my fellow American issues, students. Let's take a look at our chapters 11 and 12 project on the president. For this project, what you're going to do is you're going to choose a president from number 1, George Washington, those don't look historically accurate, to number 16, the vampire-slaying Abraham Lincoln. Oh wait, he didn't actually do any of that either. Okay, well, you'll learn more about it and you'll pick what works for you, and we'll make this all make sense in a minute. So you pick a president from 1 to number 16, any one that you want, and then what you're going to do is you're going to compare them, one of those that you choose, to a modern president from number 40, Ronald Reagan, to number 44, Barack Obama. So what do you do actually in this project? Well, you find a political, social, economic, or military issue from the time period of the first president and you compare it with your more modern president. So you say, I need an example, Mr. Bosch. Can you help me with that? Yes, I can. So you have to do a project on one of the president's numbers 1 through 16. So I picked number 17, Andrew Johnson. Andrew Johnson had to replace Abraham Lincoln. Talk about tough shoes to fill. When Andrew Johnson became president, he inherited Abraham Lincoln's cabinet. But a lot of that cabinet did not like him and did not work well with him, so Andrew Johnson wanted to remove them and appoint his own cabinet members. But Congress had said that they were Abraham Lincoln's cabinet and he had to keep them. So Congress created the Tenure of Office Act designed to make Johnson get in trouble for removing any of these people. What happened from there? You would have to look into that more. A modern example would be number 32, Franklin Delano Roosevelt, a very popular president. At the end of his first term, after winning in a landslide victory, he thought he could increase his party's power within the government, and he decided to try and increase the number of Supreme Court justices to as many as 15. But the American public and Congress again questioned the constitutionality of this decision and what the president was doing with his powers. So again, what do I do in this project? I research presidential issues from an early time period, numbers 1 through 16. I choose an issue, and I learn more about that issue and how the president was impacted by it, or by the Constitution, or the Supreme Court. Then I also pick a modern president, and I look for a similar topic. And then, how did the previous president handle their issue? What were the results? How did the modern president handle their issue, and what were the results? And as I said earlier, again, were there any new presidential powers that were created, or presidential powers that were taken away? And finally, be sure to think about the Constitution and how it has an impact on either of these cases or both of these cases. Good luck with your project.